afternoon. This is Julia Abrantes with Las Comadres, and we are here today talking with Doctora Lettie Ramirez and her colleagues about their book, You Are Not Alone. Thank you for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you very much for having us.
For those who have not read your book, can you tell us a little bit about it?
This is a book that came out of workshops with parents, and then they decided that they wanted a manual, something easy to share with other parents, and this book answers the questions that they had.
And what inspired you to write it? What were these questions that they wanted answers to?
Can you tell us?
Sure. The questions were all the things that a lot of the parents have about navigating college and start thinking about planting that seed early in life. So from elementary school, middle school, high school, that you don't have to do it by yourself. A lot of us have gone through it, and a lot of us are in programs that can help your children succeed. So having the knowledge, having the experience, and then putting it into practice for our parents.
Yeah, it certainly would have helped a lot of
Yeah, it might have
parents
been
in
a
my
difference.
time back in school. And how has it been received now that it's been published?
It's been received very well. It's across the nation, so we're very happy that it started in Spanish, and then it went to English, and then now we're looking into doing some more with the university students so that they don't feel alone and they can stay in school.
Absolutely.
But it also has also for parents to retire. It even has some finances part of it.
That's very important these days. People are too into their Facebook and social media, and they forget about everything else that happens when you put the phone down and the cable gets cut off. And how did you go about picking your co-authors here in the book?
Well, these were the parents that participated in the workshops, and they're the ones who came up with the idea that how can we share the information that we've learned in the workshops with others, and so they're the ones who are here in the front cover, and then the others are some that we asked for: university professors, alumni. He's an alumni, she's an alumni that we came to get. Saida is a professor from another university, so we're just gathers. We just collected information from a lot of places.
Well, I'm sure it'll be very helpful for many down the line, and those who read it today, and we look forward to not only reading this, but your other works that come out to help people down the line. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon, and good luck tonight.
Thank you very much.